These POV style videos are blowing up right now, and creators are making thousands of dollars just by posting this exact type of content. Take a look at this Instagram page. They grew to almost 19,000 followers just by uploading POV videos like these. And their most popular video, over 10.1 million views. Now here's the craziest part. I made a video like this in less than 5 minutes. Check this out.
That's crazy!
So without wasting any time, let's make videos like this. First, open ChatGPT and paste prompt 1 right here. And don't worry, you'll find all the prompts in the description of this video. Now hit run, and within just a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 unique POV waterslide ideas for you. Next, go to the prompt PDF, copy prompt 2, and paste it here. Now wherever it says your number, just type the number of the idea you like the most from the top 10 list. For example, I'm choosing number 6. Now hit run again, and ChatGPT will generate both the image prompt and the image to video motion prompt for you. Alright, now I'll show you the rest of the process on my phone. So let's switch over. Now head to the Flow website, copy the image prompt from ChatGPT, select the image option, choose Nano Banana Pro, set your aspect ratio, paste the prompt here, and hit run. Within about a minute, your image will be generated. And honestly, the quality looks really good. Now it's time to turn this image into a video. So go back to ChatGPT, copy the motion prompt from here, then return to Flow. Select the video option, upload the image, paste the prompt, and hit run. And within around 2 minutes, your video will be ready. Check this out. So yeah, using the same method, you can create tons of different POV waterslide videos completely for free. And by the way, you'll find the master prompt in the description below. Make sure to check it out. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next viral AI niche video. All right, see you in the next one.